Yeah, g'day mate. This is Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years and this job that I'm doing now, just turn the camera around, I'm coming into the kitchen. I've got myself set up with my tiles, a bucket of glue, and we're away. Hopefully all DIYers can learn something, hopefully. And maybe even the professionals might pick up on something as well. I've been doing this for 35 years, like I said, and there might be a few little points that I miss. So if you're not sure on anything, just send me of what you're not sure on in the comments column. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will endeavour to answer every question that I have. Some little things I might just miss because I'm so used to doing it. You might be saying to yourself, oh, how come he did that? I have cut that piece. See that piece? Just to make sure I don't take anything to chance. I've pushed it against that tile square, but I'm putting that cut in later. But I need to make sure I'm exactly square, which I am. I'm checking it with that tile. So this could be kicked over just a little bit and I don't notice it, but I would by putting that cut there just to check it, to make sure. So I know I'm home and hose, so let's carry on. If I repeat myself, I'm sorry. I don't mean to. When I was teaching my son, he'd say to me, Dad, you're repeating yourself again. Oh. But only because he didn't get it the first time. But that's all right. He's a damn good tiler now. You must get all the cardboard off, guys. It's not that good if you've got cardboard left there. So you get it all off. You're laughing. Now I know I'm dead square there, right? So I'm going off that tile now. Keeping an eye keeping an eye on my joints and lines all the time. Fantastic. Nice. Oh, that's nice. Always when you're in a confined space, it can get a little bit tricky. Now, I was going to put this one in, but it's not always a good idea, because then you're trying to, I'll try and explain it. If you're a DIY, you could run into trouble. I have run into trouble in my younger days. It's not so bad with clips now because you can slightly bend your tile, but it's not a good idea if you put this tile in and it's dry and then you're putting that tile in, and that there might be slightly different to here. So it's better that you lay this tile when you're doing your cuts. So you do that cut first, which comes out here, and that could be slightly up because you've got it right there. Could be slightly up in this corner, but you're all right because you're able to go off it, carry on off it. So that's just a little hint. It's not always a good idea to put that tile in as I've just explained. Hopefully you get what I mean. If you're not quite sure, ask in my comments column. But I have got into trouble by doing that before clips came in, and it's hard to try and bend your tile down, so you avoid it at all cost. Come on, come on. I chipped the corner of that tile, but it'll be a cut. Well, the rain stopped for 5 minutes. We've had so much rain this year, 2022. What? I chipped that one. Cool. Always checking. Always looking at your lines. Always checking. Areas like this, just slow down. You can't throw them down from the hip. It's not a race. Just slow down and do it once, do it right. Right, that tile's good to go. Slap some glue down. So when I do my cuts, I'll fill that in all the way, because then I'll be working off that tile that's glued and it'll be hard tomorrow, so I come off it. And it doesn't matter if I raise up slightly, because there's nothing I have to tile into. No tile. It's just something to avoid when you're a DIYer or a professional. You do it in such a way that you don't get yourself into trouble. The cardboard. Cool, beautiful. Okay everyone, don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Just pop that there. Don't forget to subscribe. Push the bell, push the subscribe button. I'm coming out every 2 days, but I will be changing it to every day, so you'll be able to lean in and learn, hopefully, which will be fantastic. Okay everyone, I'll see you soon. Bye.